Ever dreamt of taking your business global, expanding your horizons and reaching new markets? But then the paperwork hits you. Apostilles, legalisation. What on earth does all that mean? Let's find out, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we make conquering international markets as easy as a tick in the box. So let's break down this whole apostille thing, shall we? In essence, it's a fancy stamp placed on your official UK documents, like birth certificates, marriage certificates or business documents. This stamp basically says, hey, this document is legit, trust the Brits. It's a way for foreign countries to recognise the authenticity of your UK paperwork. Think of it like, well, translating your document into an international language of bureaucracy. So why do you need an apostille? Well, if you're planning on doing business abroad, opening a bank account overseas or even getting married in another country, the chances are you'll need an apostille for your documents. It's essentially a way to ensure your documents are recognised and accepted by the foreign authorities. Well, now getting an apostille can seem daunting. There's paperwork, fees and navigating government websites, but fear not, we can help. You have two main options. The first is DIY. You can tackle the process yourself by heading to the UK government's website. You'll need to figure out what type of apostille you need, fill out forms, pay fees and potentially send your documents by post to have them apostilled. Or you can use a company formation agent. This is where yourcompanyformations.co.uk comes in. We can handle the entire apostille process for you. We'll take care of the paperwork, ensure everything is in order and liaise with relevant authorities. This saves you valuable time and ensures a smooth, stress-free experience. Let's face it, navigating international bureaucracy can be a real headache. Using a company formation agent like us at Your Company Formations takes the pressure off. So here's what we can offer. Expertise. We know the ins and outs of apostilles and legalisation. Efficiency. We'll handle all the paperwork and communication, saving you valuable time. Accuracy. Most importantly, we ensure everything is done correctly to avoid delays. And of course, peace of mind. You can focus on your business goals knowing your documents are in good hands. Here's some additional tips for smooth apostille experience. Start early. Don't leave getting your apostille to the last minute. Processing times can vary, so factor this into your planning. Check requirements. The specific requirements for apostilles can differ depending on the country you're dealing with. We recommend checking the embassy or consulate of the relevant country for the latest information. Also, be aware that an apostilled document is not necessarily accepted in all countries across the globe. In fact, only countries attributed to the 1961 Hague Convention will accept them. A full list can be found by going to the website in the description below or drop us a line to find out more. Keep copies. Always make copies of your documents before sending them off for apostilles. So there you have it, everything you need to know about apostilles in the UK. Remember, whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, having your documents apostilled is essential for international business and personal endeavours. At Your Company Formations, we're here to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. So don't let apostilles hold you back. Contact us today and let us handle your paperwork while you focus on conquering the world. If you have any questions regarding the apostille of documents or any company formation matters, leave them in the box below and one of our team will get back to you. Thanks for watching.